feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
While flower mites prefer warm, humid environments, they can potentially survive in cooler conditions, such as a refrigerator, especially if there's access to food sources. However, the fridge's low temperature significantly slows their reproduction and activity. To prevent flower mites in the fridge, it's crucial to store flour and grains in airtight, sealed containers and regularly check and clean storage areas to remove any potential infestations before they spread.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.